This session covers how to submit a troubleshooting request on the in-command portal. To navigate to the troubleshooting request form, go to your request menu, make request, troubleshooting. This brings up a form that you're familiar with if you've done other requests or watched other request videos. To begin with, there's the question mark here right next to the page title that provides detailed documentation on how to complete a troubleshooting request and talks about other features of the page. On this page, there are 4 fields to fill out, plus a couple more actually. To begin with, you need to choose what site the device exists that you want troubleshot and what room at that site. The third field is the troubleshooting category. We have 6 categories to choose from. Is it a CPU problem, a DIMM problem, disk, motherboard, power supply, or other, if none of the above apply? In this session, let's assume it's a power supply problem. So I'll select power supply. And what's the status? So again, I have 6 options to choose from. The device is pending downtime, is ready for failure analysis, pending RMA approval, waiting for parts, it's at a repair facility, it's complete. Let's assume that the device has been taken out of service and is ready for a failure analysis. Now, let's select the device that we want troubleshot. I click the select button and I get a list of all the devices in the selected site and room. I need to know the device name or other information about it. In this case, let's say it's a Cisco. So I will filter for all my Cisco devices. I scroll down looking for the Cisco device. It happens to be a 2248 Cisco switch. All right, I'm now down to 22 items. And I happen to know it's in rack B02. There it is. The device name is LA1 Cisco 49, B02 RU42. I select that device. All right then, having checked that device, I proceed with the selected device. That device is now listed on my request right here. Now there are 2 other fields to fill out. One, do I have a vendor case number with Cisco or an RMA number with Cisco? If I do, I can enter it here, but this is optional. I'll leave it blank. This is an interesting field, the previous occurrences. This will tell me how many times this particular Cisco switch has had troubleshooting occurrences. Since there's no previous occurrences, I know this is the first time I've had an issue with this device. Next, I can enter the error code description that'll be helpful to the data center team when they troubleshoot. Error description 238.4. All right. I then scroll down and I have the common request details to fill out. What's the priority level? Low, medium, high, or urgent? Do I have an internal ticket system that I want to reference? Optional, so I'll leave it blank. What's my request title? My request title is a power supply problem error code 238-4 with LA1-Cisco 49. That's my host name. All right, so I've given it a short title. Make sure I've got my right company. I include here any additional information. This is critical. Please process ASAP. If I could spell, that would help. I think I'll change the priority to high since I'm telling him it's critical. And I can add pictures, upload files, etc. When I'm done, I click Save. The portal tells me my request was queued. It returns me to my request list. I can see at the top of my list my troubleshooting request, a power supply problem, error code 2384 with Cisco 49. It's a new status submitted August 16th today. Priority is high. I am the requester. As on other requests, I will get an email confirming the request has been submitted, and the data center operations team will also get an email alerting them that a new request has come in that they need to deal with. And as they deal with it, I will get emails throughout the process updating me as progress is made. Returning to the map, that concludes our session on submitting a troubleshooting request. Thank you and have a great day.